CIMT College has the most complete cabinetry, furniture, and restoration program, with over 50% of the program being hands-on learning, where students are working with tools and woodworking equipment. In our Cabinetry and Furniture Technician Diploma program, students learn both the theoretical aspects of building furniture and cabinets, plus earn the hands-on practical experience which employers are seeking. Students also learn to become a professional tradesperson with business skills to work with clients, design skills with AutoCAD, cabinetry and furniture design, and build, and restoration and finishing skills. Our wood shop is outfitted with all the machinery and equipment to allow every student to develop skills and confidence with table saws, planers, joiners, bandsaws, miter saws, and routers. Students also learn to use hand tools best suited for each job, like hand drills, chisels, air nailers, hand routers, belt sanders, and palm sanders. Students handle a wide range of shop tools, machinery, and equipment setup, which allows them to understand tool safety and applications. Our number one rule is safety first. Each student will learn about personal protective gear, personal workshop attire, safe procedure and setups, and proper use of the tools and equipment. Our Cabinetry and Furniture Technician Diploma program covers a wide range of subjects to include the fundamentals of working with wood, hardware, and machinery. Over the 22 weeks, students learn construction theory, types of wood, selecting and dressing wood, machining components, hand carving, hardware and applications, types of stains, and restoring finishes. The most exciting part of the program is that after finishing the theoretical in-class portion of the program, students start a woodworking project on a china cabinet, reception console, bookcase, or other furniture pieces of their own design in order to synergize the skills they have learned. During the restoration courses, students go on a field trip to visit a used furniture depot to choose a table, chair, dresser, or other furniture to repair, and learn to dismantle and repair the pieces to make them look new or to restore them to period pieces, including upholstery and fabric replacement. Our goal at CIMT College is to develop carpenters to prepare them for employment and career success in the future. After earning a Cabinetry and Furniture Technician Diploma, students will have the best advantage to stand out to the employers with already developed trade skills. Students can begin careers to work in cabinet building companies, commercial millwork shops, kitchen and bath companies, wood mills, door and window manufacturers, new home builders, restoration companies, stair and rail companies, or sawmills. The average salary for this field starts in the mid-level range, and it can increase as you earn experience, and depending on which area you wish to focus, including positions like fine trim carpenter, furniture upholstery technician, stain and finish technician, commercial millworker, machine technician, and even shop supervisor. Or, if they prefer, students could start their own small business and become self-employed. As students grow their skills, they become more valuable and can demand more money for professional work. Talent is something we're born with, but skill is acquired after hours and hours of hard work and by pushing yourself to learn new techniques. In my mind, the Cabinetry and Furniture Technician Diploma is an exceptionally well-rounded, multi-dimensional woodworking program that creates a foundation with no limits. CIMT College provides you with the education and training for success in the field of cabinetry, furniture building, and restoration. Call us today and start to craft your new career tomorrow.